Over 60? What if I told you that some everyday habits might be silently making your prostate bigger, without you even knowing it? You might be waking up at night, rushing to the bathroom, or struggling to start your stream. But here's the catch. It's not just aging, it's what you do every single day. Stick around because I'm about to reveal 10 habits that could be quietly harming your prostate, and how to fix them, naturally and safely. Habit 10. Ignoring thirst and staying dehydrated. You might think that drinking less water, especially before bedtime, is a smart way to avoid those annoying bathroom trips during the night. It sounds logical. Less fluid means less need to pee, right? But the truth is, cutting back on water actually makes things worse for your prostate and bladder. When you don't drink enough, your urine becomes more concentrated and harsh, which can irritate the lining of your bladder and the prostate gland itself. This irritation triggers inflammation, and inflammation is one of the main causes of prostate enlargement. So instead of helping, trying to outsmart your body by dehydrating yourself ends up putting more stress on your urinary system. On top of that, many older adults take medications that can dry out the body even more, making it easier to get dehydrated without realizing it. The best way to protect your prostate and bladder is actually to keep sipping water throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. A good rule of thumb is to aim for urine that is clear or a very light yellow color. This means you're well hydrated and helping your body flush out toxins gently. Staying properly hydrated keeps your bladder muscles relaxed and reduces irritation around the prostate, which can help prevent swelling and those frustrating urinary symptoms. Habit 9. Sitting for long hours without movement. Love your recliner and those long, cozy sitting sessions? While it feels great to kick back and relax, sitting for too long puts a lot of pressure on your pelvic area, which can actually reduce blood flow to your prostate. When blood flow slows down, it means less oxygen and nutrients reach the tissues, which can lead to inflammation and swelling. Over time, this poor circulation can contribute to discomfort and worsen prostate problems, making it harder to stay comfortable. The good news is, a simple habit can make a big difference. Try to stand up at least every 30 minutes, even if it's just for a minute or two. Use that time to walk around a bit and stretch your legs and hips gently. These little breaks help improve circulation, relieve pressure on the pelvic area, and keep blood flowing smoothly to your prostate. Making this small change throughout your day can ease inflammation and support better prostate health, all while keeping you feeling more energized. Habit 8. Drinking too much caffeine. Morning coffee can be a wonderful way to start the day. There's something comforting about that warm, familiar ritual. But when those single cups turn into multiple throughout the day, it can start to cause problems. Caffeine acts as a diuretic, which means it makes you urinate more often. This frequent urge puts extra strain on your bladder muscles, causing them to twitch or spasm. On top of that, caffeine tightens the muscles around the bladder neck, making it tougher to fully empty your bladder. All these effects combine to put additional stress on your prostate, which can contribute to discomfort and worsen symptoms over time. To keep your prostate feeling its best, it's smart to limit yourself to just 1 cup of regular coffee a day. After that, try switching to decaffeinated coffee or herbal teas that don't contain caffeine. These alternatives won't irritate your bladder or cause those twitchy muscle spasms. By cutting back on caffeine like this, you're giving your bladder and prostate a much-needed break, helping reduce inflammation and making it easier to stay comfortable throughout the day. Your prostate will definitely thank you for the gentler approach. Habit 7. Eating spicy and processed foods. Daily spices like chili and black pepper add a punch of flavor to meals, but if you eat them regularly in large amounts, they can actually cause inflammation in your prostate. That burning sensation you might feel after a spicy meal is a sign that these spices can irritate sensitive tissues. Over time, this irritation can lead to chronic inflammation, which is one of the key factors in prostate problems. On top of that, many processed foods you find in the store are packed with preservatives, high levels of sodium, and unhealthy fats. These ingredients can mess with your body's hormone balance and further contribute to inflammation, making prostate issues worse. Choosing healthier foods doesn't mean giving up taste. Instead of reaching for processed snacks loaded with harmful additives, try swapping them for fresh vegetables, juicy berries, and good-for-you fats, like those found in nuts and olive oil. These natural foods provide essential nutrients that support your body's defenses and help calm inflammation. Plus, you can still enjoy bold, delicious flavors by experimenting with herbs, citrus, and mild spices that won't irritate your prostate. Eating this way not only protects your prostate, but also boosts your overall health, proving that great flavor and good health can go hand in hand. Habit 6. Holding your urine for too long. We've all been there, caught up in work, errands, or just too far from a bathroom, so we hold in our pee. But holding it in for too long actually does more harm than good. When you hold your urine, your bladder stretches beyond its normal capacity, which puts pressure on your prostate. This constant pressure can irritate the prostate tissue and cause swelling, leading to discomfort and increasing the risk of problems down the line. Over time, this strain can contribute to chronic inflammation, which is a major factor in prostate issues. The best thing you can do is listen to your body and go to the bathroom as soon as you feel the urge. It might seem inconvenient sometimes, but emptying your bladder promptly helps keep both your bladder and prostate healthy. Regularly releasing urine reduces pressure and irritation, lowers the chance of infections, and keeps inflammation in check. Developing this simple habit can make a big difference in how comfortable you feel every day and protect your prostate from unnecessary stress. Habit 5. Smoking or inhaling, secondhand. Smoking does a serious number on your body, especially when it comes to your prostate. It damages blood vessels and cuts down on blood flow, which means less oxygen and nutrients reach prostate tissue. On top of that, smoking triggers inflammation throughout the body, including in the prostate, making existing issues worse and increasing the risk of enlargement or other problems. Even being around secondhand smoke isn't safe. It exposes you to many of the same harmful chemicals that can damage your prostate and overall health. The good news is quitting smoking can start reversing this damage pretty quickly. Once you stop, your circulation improves, helping your prostate get the blood it needs to stay healthy. Inflammation levels drop, reducing irritation and swelling. Avoiding smoke-filled places also protects you from those harmful effects. Whether it's your own smoking habit or exposure to others, cutting out tobacco smoke is one of the best steps you can take to protect your prostate. Habit 4. Skipping regular health screenings. Your prostate can start to enlarge quietly, without causing any noticeable symptoms in the early stages. Because of this, many men don't realize there's an issue until it becomes more serious and harder to manage. Skipping regular checkups means missing out on the chance to catch problems early, when treatment is often simpler and more effective. It's easy to ignore or dismiss small changes in urinary habits, but these might be early warning signs that your prostate needs attention. That's why keeping up with annual exams and PSA, prostate-specific antigen tests, is so important. These quick routine screenings help your doctor monitor your prostate health and spot any concerns before they develop into bigger issues. If you notice any changes in your bathroom habits, like difficulty urinating, frequent urges, or discomfort, make sure to mention them during your visit. Being proactive and open with your doctor can make all the difference in protecting your prostate and overall health for years to come. Habit 3. Eating too much red meat. Eating red meat every day, especially processed types like bacon, sausages, and deli meats, can cause your body to become inflamed and disrupt your hormone balance. This ongoing inflammation can worsen prostate problems over time. Plus, red meat tends to digest slowly, which can lead to weight gain and increased pressure in the pelvic area, making symptoms like discomfort or frequent urination more likely. A healthier approach is to reduce red meat intake to just once or twice a week. Instead, choose leaner options like fish and chicken, which are easier on your body and less likely to cause inflammation. Plant-based proteins such as beans, lentils, and tofu are also excellent alternatives that support digestion and overall prostate health. Making these swaps can help you manage weight better and reduce pelvic pressure, improving your comfort and well-being. Habit 2. Carrying too much belly fat. Carrying extra belly fat isn't just about how clothes fit. It actually causes your body to release chemicals that trigger inflammation. This inflammation irritates your prostate and can throw your hormones out of balance, making prostate issues worse. On top of that, the added weight in your belly puts physical pressure on your bladder and other pelvic organs, which can lead to discomfort and problems with urination. The good news is, you can take simple steps to reduce belly fat and ease this pressure. Daily walks are a great way to get moving without strain, and paying attention to portion sizes helps control calorie intake. Cutting back on sugar is another key move since it fuels fat buildup around your middle. These small lifestyle changes add up over time, helping shrink belly fat and reducing the stress on your prostate and pelvic area. Habit 1. Not managing chronic stress. Stress is a major factor that often gets overlooked when it comes to prostate health. When you're stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol, which in high amounts leads to inflammation throughout your body. This inflammation can directly affect your prostate, making symptoms worse. Stress also causes your pelvic muscles to tighten and your immune system to weaken, creating a cycle that can trigger more urinary problems and discomfort. Managing stress daily is one of the best natural ways to support your prostate and overall well-being. Simple activities like taking deep, slow breaths, doing light exercises like walking or stretching, and spending time with friends or family can make a big difference. Don't underestimate the power of laughter and getting a good night's sleep. Both help lower stress and calm your body. Making stress management a priority can ease prostate inflammation and improve how you feel every day. So what's your move? Change just one of these habits this week. Drink more water, move more, or cut back on caffeine. Every little change counts and adds up to better prostate health. If this video helped you, share it with a friend, brother, or anyone over 60. Remember, you're never too old to start healing. Take care of your prostate, and it will take care of you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.